The Brighton Marathon clear up is well underway, but I'm going to head into town and see if there's anything going on still. One of the best things about being a cyclist in Brighton during the marathon is they close loads of roads. It's great, but I've left it so late they've reopened them again. Disappointing. Well, this road isn't normally closed. This is lovely cycling along here. Centre of Brighton and not one car. Clear up is well underway and I'm yet to actually see a runner. Oh, I found them. Some people have just used this opportunity to get a bit pissed and dance. Fair enough. Absolutely brilliant event, the Brighton Marathon. It is well worth coming and having a watch, actually. And if you do, best thing to do it is on a bike. You can get to see so much more of the course.